In this video, I will show you how to screen record on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, it's absolutely possible to screen record on Windows 11, and you can do this by using the Snipping Tool, which is actually built into Windows. To get started, what you're going to want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, and in here you can go ahead and just type Snipping Tool. Underneath Best Match, you should see the Snipping Tool come up. Give that a click to open up the Snipping Tool, and what you want to do to start with, if you come up to the top, you're going to see a picture of a camera which says snip, but if you look to the right hand side, you've got this kind of video camera icon. So if you actually click onto this is where you can start recording your screen. So you want to make sure you've clicked that to select it, and then what you need to do is come and click onto new over here, and what this is going to do is change your cursor to this kind of crosshair thing, and you can select which part of the screen you want to record. So for example, if you wanted to record your whole screen, you would start in the top left hand corner, hold down your left mouse button and drag this mouse cursor, as you can see, and you can select how much of the screen you want to record. So of course, if you want to record the entirety of your screen, you would come down to the bottom right corner, let go of the left mouse button, and that's going to be set up good to go. So now if you come up to the top, you can see this toolbar, and what you've got is a couple of things you can do. So you've got the speaker icon here, this microphone. If you give that a click, you can choose whether to mute your microphone or if you want your talking through the microphone to be enabled. Once you've selected your microphone from the list, make sure to click the mute option, and that's going to unmute your microphone. Now you've also got the same to do this for your system audio. So whether you want your system audio to be recorded or muted, of course, if you click and you've got a line through, that means your system audio is muted. When you are ready to go, all you need to do is simply click the start recording button, and a countdown timer is going to begin. It's going to go 3, 2, 1, and then start recording your screen. Now, because I'm doing this on a screen recording, it's not going to show you this on screen, but basically it's going to start recording. And at the top, your toolbar, you're going to have two buttons. You're going to have a stop button and a pause button. Again, apologies, as you're not going to be able to see this, but there is a toolbar there with a stop button and a pause button. So once you've finished recording your screen, just go ahead and, of course, click onto the stop recording red square button. What that's going to do is load up a preview of your screen recording. Now, as you can see, we can preview that absolutely fine. And then what we can do is, if you're happy with everything, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto the save button up here to save as, and choose where you want to save your screen recording. So that is how to screen record on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.